I'd be like, whoa, okay. But I think we'll literally build a legion, or at least one legion of robots this year, and then probably 10 legions next year.
How Tesla builds a humanoid robot in just 30 minutes, while competitors struggle for years. The unmatched speed of Tesla's Optimus production. In a staggering leap for robotics, Tesla has achieved what was once thought impossible, assembling a fully functional Optimus humanoid robot in just 30 minutes. This isn't just a minor efficiency improvement, it's a complete disruption of the robotics industry. While companies like Boston Dynamics, Figure AI, and Agility Robotics are still stuck in slow, manual prototyping phases, Tesla's factory is rolling out robots at a pace that redefines mass production. So, how has Tesla accomplished this feat while others struggle? The answer lies in three core innovations: modular design, full automation, and the direct transfer of electric vehicle manufacturing technology. Breaking down the 30-minute assembly process, the assembly of Optimus is a meticulously choreographed dance of precision engineering and automation. The process begins with the GigaCast lightweight alloy skeleton, a technique borrowed from the Model Y production line, which drastically reduces the number of components needed. At the same time, 28 high-precision actuators, responsible for every joint movement in the arms, legs, and spine, are pre-calibrated and ready for installation. One of the most complex and time-consuming steps is the integration of the hands and forearms, which feature an astonishing 22 degrees of freedom. Elon Musk himself has stated that the hand alone accounts for nearly half of Optimus's entire electromechanical complexity. Early prototypes suffered from bulky, impractical designs, but Tesla's engineers refined the approach by relocating actuators outside the palm and using ultra-compact cabling and gear systems. This ensures both dexterity and a natural appearance. Once the skeleton and actuators are in place, the 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack is installed into the torso, followed by the FSD computer and neural network, which serve as the robot's brain. Wiring and connectors are designed for plug-and-play simplicity, eliminating time-consuming manual splicing. Finally, the robot undergoes a fully automated calibration process, where its sensors, cameras, and motion systems are fine-tuned in real time. Why competitors can't keep up? While Tesla's production line hums with efficiency, competitors are still wrestling with fundamental challenges. Boston Dynamics' Atlas remains a high-cost tech demo with no clear path to mass production. Figure AI's Figure 01 is still in the prototype stage, with assembly taking hours or even days per unit. Agility Robotics' Digit has entered limited production but maxes out at 10,000 units per year, a fraction of Tesla's potential output. Tesla's advantage? A decade of EV manufacturing expertise. By reusing battery tech, wiring, FSD chips, and sensors from its cars, Tesla avoids the astronomical R&D costs that competitors face. Where others must design every component from scratch, Tesla simply repurposes proven systems, slashing both time and expense. The cost revolution, under $20,000 per robot. Today, most humanoid robots cost hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of dollars to produce. But Tesla is targeting a sub-$20,000 price point, making Optimus cheaper than many economy cars. How? 1. Economies of scale. A single Tesla production line can assemble 2 Optimus robots per hour. With 10 lines running, that's 16 robots per day per line, or over 100,000 annually. 2. Zero labor costs. The process is almost entirely automated, with robots building robots. 3. Shared EV components. From batteries to AI chips, Tesla isn't reinventing the wheel, it's leveraging existing tech. At this rate, Tesla's goal of 1 million Optimus robots per year by 2026 is not just feasible, it's inevitable. The software edge. Tesla's AI learns faster than anyone else. Hardware is only half the battle. While competitors rely on slow, manual programming, Tesla's Optimus runs on the same neural network that powers its self-driving cars. This AI has already been trained on billions of miles of real-world data, allowing Optimus to learn tasks like walking, balancing, and grasping objects at an unprecedented pace. In a recent demo, Optimus was shown catching balls and navigating complex environments, skills that took competitors years to achieve. Tesla's approach is simple. Why code from scratch when you can train in the real world? The future, 1 million robots, $1 trillion market. Tesla isn't just building robots, it's building the infrastructure for a post-human workforce. With potential applications in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and even household assistance, Optimus could become as ubiquitous as smartphones. And the first customers? Tesla's own factories. Replacing just 10% of human workers with Optimus bots would require 200,000 units, a ready-made market. From there, companies like Amazon, FedEx, and Walmart will follow. Conclusion: the robotics race is over before it began. While competitors scramble to catch up, Tesla is already years ahead. With unmatched speed, unbeatable costs, and self-improving AI, Optimus isn't just a product. It's the future of automation. What do you think? Will Tesla dominate robotics like it did EVs? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech breakdown.